Hello and welcome to another week of vlog. Okay, so let's get started. So on page 1, we're going to be talking about subtracting unlike fractions. Okay, so unlike fractions are basically fractions that have different denominators. Okay, or numbers on the bottom. So we're going to go over question number 1. So 5/6 minus 1/3. However, 1/3 can be made into 2/6. Okay, and you can do this by multiplying 2 on both sides, so both on the top and the bottom. Okay. And then 5 minus 2 is 3. And then on the bottom is 6. Remember that you can only add and subtract fractions with only if their denominators or the numbers on the bottom are the same. Okay? That's why we have to multiply 1/3 by 2. Now 3/6 can be simplified to 1/2 because you can divide both top and the bottom number by 3. Okay? Let's go for number 5. Okay, so 3/4 minus 1/3. Okay, so I noticed that 4 and 3. 3 cannot go into our. So the easiest denominator for me is 12. Okay, and that's because 4 times 3 is 12. And then 3 times 3 is 9. Minus 4 times 3 is 12. And then 4 times 1 is 4. Okay, and then you just get your number, which should be 5/12. Okay. I'll do one more with you. So let's try to number 3. Okay. So 1/2 minus 1/4. So the easiest number for the denominator, it would be 4. Okay. So we multiply 2 on both the top and the bottom on 1/2. So that'd be 2/4 minus, and we just leave 1/4 the same. Okay, and then that would be 1/4. I know I'm skipping a lot of steps, however, that's because I want to go finish this page. I want to finish it as fast as I can, but make sure to, for you guys, to make sure to complete out all the steps. Okay. So quick review. Okay, quick review. We're just going to go over subtracting fractions with like terms, so denominators that are the same. Okay. So number 9, 6/10 minus 2/10 is just 4/10. Okay. But remember that you have to simplify this. So that would be 2/5. Okay. And then this would be 6/9. So 8 divided by 9 minus 2/9 is 6/9. Based off just simple subtraction. Okay. And then divide both by 3, which would mean 2/3. Okay. Okay. 10/12 minus 3/12 is just 7/12. And we will leave it because it can no longer be simplified. Okay. Okay. So we're going to go over mixed review and test prep. Okay. So list the factors of 7. 7 is going to be a prime number. Okay, because it can only be divided by itself. So it can only be divided by 7 can only be divided by 7 and 1. Okay. Rename as mixed numbers. So number 11 divided by 4, which is 2. Okay, minus 2, 8. And that's 3. So the answer would be 2, 3, 4. The rest do the same thing. John and his brother ate 3/8 of a cake. His sisters ate 1/4 of the same cake. How much cake was eaten in all? Okay. So 1/4 of the cake, right? If we want to put that into terms of 8, we would do 2/8. Okay. And then we would just add. Oh, sorry. 3/8. 3/8 plus 2/8 is just 5/8. Okay. Okay. Extra practice with fractions. So this time, instead of doing subtraction, we're going to be just adding. Okay. So 1/8 plus 5/8 is going to be 6/8. However, 6/8 can be simplified to 3/4. Okay. If you use 6/8, right, can divide by 2 on both the top and the bottom. Number 4 will just be 7/10, just simple addition. And let's go to, okay. Let's do the last 2 word problems and then we'll call it a day. Okay, so there's 2/3 cup of milk. After Robbie used 1/3 of the cup of milk in his oatmeal, how much milk was in the refrigerator before Robbie ate? Okay, so if there's 2/3 of the cup before, 2/3 of cup of milk before, and then we're trying to figure, and Robbie used 1/3 of the cup. Okay, and we're trying to figure out how much milk was in the cereal before Robbie ate his meal. And we're going to add what they lost, which was the 1/3 cup of milk. And if you add that all together, we get 1 cup of milk. Okay. On Monday, 3/10 inch of snow fell in Lay's yard. On Thursday, 7/10 inches of snow fell. How much snow fell in all? Okay. So then we just add 3/10 plus 7/10 because we're trying to find the combined total of inch of snow that fell. And we just get 1 inch of snow. Okay.